In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI appointment booking voice agent. We'll start inside your sub-account dashboard. From there, open the AI Agents section. This is where all conversational agents live. Choose Voice AI to focus specifically on phone and web call interactions. Create a new agent, and for this walkthrough, pick the Custom option. The marketplace has templates, but Custom lets you tailor the experience end to end. Click. Continue to move into Setup. Give your agent a clear descriptive name. Something like Appointment Booking Voice Agent works perfectly because it makes it easy to recognize later. Next, choose a voice that matches your brand personality. Aim for something warm, confident, and easy to understand. This impacts caller trust and call completion rates. Once you're happy, save the voice so it's locked in. Select your time zone. This is crucial. The agent uses it for availability checks and confirmations. If the time zone is wrong, appointments can land at the wrong hour, so make sure it matches your business calendar. Now set the initial message. Keep it concise and friendly. A good opening briefly introduces your business, states that the assistant can help book an appointment, and signals what it might need, like name, preferred time, and contact details. Save your changes, then continue to the next section. Choose a knowledge base for the agent. The knowledge base is where it learns your services, policies, and FAQs, so it can answer questions before booking. If you don't have one yet, you can create it here and add the essentials, service durations, locations, and any requirements. For the agent's primary goal, select appointment booking. This aligns the agent's behavior toward collecting details and securing a time slot. When prompted for what to collect from the contact, select all relevant details, capturing name, email, phone, preferred dates and times, and any notes reduces back and forth and improves handoffs to your team. Apply the agent to all users if you want it to book across your entire team, which is ideal when multiple calendars are available. Click Next, then Save to confirm your configuration. Back on the agent list, open your appointment booking assistant to test it. Choose Web Call as the call type for a quick, in-browser test. Ensure your microphone is allowed, then start the web call. Listen for the greeting, provide sample details, and verify it offers available times and confirms correctly. If anything sounds off, return to the settings to refine voice, greeting, knowledge base, or data collection. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.